Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you know, we are studying chapter number 6, 0 or okay, and I hope we have done till paragraph 8 and we have to continue from paragraph 9. Okay, so let's see from paragraph 9. So as we know that when Bobby was taking his breakfast, so his mother asked him what is the plan of his day. So Bobby tells his mother that he is going to moon today. Okay, he will go to the moon today. So his mom smiled a little and then she went to reading book and she asked him, first of all, check your fuel mixture is correct or not. She passed comment. Okay, she passed comment कि check your fuel mixture is correct or not. Okay, after that Bobby replies her that he will check it. Okay, is that clear or not? So let's see from paragraph 9. I will check it. Okay, so Bobby replies his mother that he will check whether his fuel mixture is correct or not, and he further tells her that he might not be home for the lunch today. Okay, now see paragraph 10. Where will you eat? So his mother asks him where he will eat his lunch. Oh, I don't know. So Bobby tells her mother that he doesn't know where he will take his lunch. Okay. Now see paragraph 12. Well, mind your manners and say thank you when you leave. After that, his mother tells to mind his manner and say thank when he leave his home. And Mrs. Kendall is still smiling. And when she tells these lines to Bobby, she is still smiling. Okay? As she watched Bobby dash out into the yard, and she watches that Bobby dash out, he ran out of the into the yard. Okay? He moves from there. Now see further. You can see this is Bobby's mother and this is Bobby. She was still reading the book and now he is dashing out into the yard. He is moving out into the yard. Okay. Now see paragraph 13. Out in the backyard, Bobby fused around his space rocket. So dear student, Bobby has its own space rocket. Okay. It is a toy. Okay, in which he used to sit and try to fly to the moon. Okay, so he just went out into the backyard of the house. Okay, and he fused around his space rocket. Okay, and after that when he go when he goes to his space rocket, very first he tied a screw. Okay, tightening the screw here, it means to say he tied a screw in his space rocket. Okay, hammering in a nail there, hammering in a nail, it means to say he hammered a nail in his rocket. Okay, just until he could slip away without mother noticing where he was headed. And he tried to slip away, he tried to move from there without his mother notice. Okay, he does not want that his mother notice where he was going. Okay, he doesn't want. Now see paragraph 14. It was not a bad rocket at all. Okay, Bobby tells us that his rocket was not a bad. Okay, it was a good rocket. Okay, let's see what was the specialty, what was the particular in his rocket. 6 feet long, it meant to say the space rocket of Bobby was 6 feet long with 2 seats, and there were 2 seats in his rocket. and a neat instrument panel, and there was also a instrument panel but child's step, and there were also but child stops. It means to say there were nothing, okay, for the child. Okay, there was nothing for the child. Of course, after he had found the way in through the sewer, he had not paid any more attention to his own shape. And after that, he found a sewer through which he could move on, and he never paid more attention to his own shape. It means to say he did not paid too much attention to his space rocket. Okay, let's see. You can see this is the sewer that he found, okay, during the when he was maintaining his rocket ship, okay, rocket space. He find that sewer. He went casually out through the back gate and turned left. Okay, it means to say Bobby went out through the, okay, went out through the back gate of the house, and after walking some time, after some distance, he turned left. And what after he did? Kicking at pebbles. Okay, he kicks some pebbles as he sauntered. What is the meaning of sauntered? Sauntered means walked in a slow and relaxed way to appear casual. Okay, so when he was walking in a slow and relaxed way to appear casual, he kicked the pebbles, trying to look as though he had no place to go, and he trying to show that he was going nowhere. Okay, he trying to show that he's very relaxed mood, and he was he was he has to go nowhere, had to be careful, and he tells that he must be very careful of everyone, didn't want to bump into any of his friends too. What is the meaning of bump into? It means to say to meet. Okay, even he did not want to meet his friends. Okay, okay, even he does not want to meet any of his friends that day. Okay, because he does not want any disturbance that day. Okay, let's see further. The way in through the sewer was at a place behind laboratory B. Okay, the narrator tells us that the way of the sewer was just behind the laboratory B. Okay, there was a laboratory B, and just behind that laboratory B, the way of the sewer was. Okay, there was a kind of an alley. Okay, and the narrator tells us that there was a kind of alley means a narrow street between or behind the buildings. Okay, and behind the buildings there was a narrow street there that nobody ever walked through, and the narrator tells us that nobody ever walked through that narrow street. Okay, let's see. And then this round lid you could lift up and look under. The narrator tells us that you can lift up the round lid. You can see that one. This is the round lid, and you can lift, you can remove it, and you can look under it. Okay, and a ladder you could climb down. Okay, and with the help of a ladder you can climb down. Okay, okay students, now see paragraph 17. Bobby had not dared to go down at first. The narrator tells us that Bobby did not dare to go down very fast, but after thinking about it overnight, his curiosity had prevailed, and he had gone back and dug down into the lower level. But after thinking about it overnight, it means to say Bobby thought of that sewer whole night. Okay, he was continued thinking about that sewer, and at last his curiosity, he excited too much. He got some excitement. Okay, and his nervousness got disappeared, and he had gone back and ducked down. Duck, what the meaning of duck down? Duck means lowered his head and body quickly. It means to say he entered the sewer. Okay, at last. Okay, at last he moved into the sewer. Now see further. He called it a sewer because of sewers being underground. Okay, he called it a sewer because we know generally, okay, generally sewer found underground. Okay, but this place was clean. The narrator tells us that the place where Bobby had gone, the place was very clean and had a bunches of wires, and there were a lots of wires strung in every direction that were spread in every direction, and faint little lights you could see by. And the narrator tells us that in that sewer you can find out a little light also. Okay, so at last Bobby entered the sewer, and he tried to move on. So dear students, I hope you have got this all things very well. So let's see the further paragraph in the next video. Till then, watch the video and enjoy.